Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby Catano from CATANO GLAM, and this is CATANO GLAM English. Today's video is going to be a bit different. It is going to be a makeup video, but as far as tutorial, I don't know how much you're going to learn because my cousin, as you could tell from this title, is going to be doing my voiceover. So I kind of wanted to do a video a little bit different, but still incorporate some makeup into it. So if you're interested in seeing how I create a beautiful makeup look and on listening to how my cousin describes it, then keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Si quieren ver este video estilo tutorial en español, pues visiten CATANO GLAM, que es mi otro canal en español aquí en YouTube, and let's get right into it.
Alright guys, thanks for joining. I'm Christian here, Gabby's cousin, and we're going to do a little makeup tutorial. So this is the pen. The pen has the brush at the end, and it looks like a color pencil as well. And we're going to, take a look at it. Brush the eyebrows up because you kind of want to get the angle right. Really want to pay attention to the top part of the eyebrow. It's where it matters, where you get the bling. Alright, so the right eyebrow is done. We'll move over to the left eyebrow and we're all done. And let's go. So this is the, let me see, the Brown Smith. What it said, I think. Brown Smith is the company. So this is what you do to add the color. Think of it as like a highlighter. So it's really important that you get the right motion. Up, down, not down, up. Yeah, these are the infallible. This is for your, I want to say cheeks. No, not cheeks. This is for the above the eyebrow. I didn't know we did that. Okay. So we put it above the eyebrow. I think this is to contour the shape. Okay, then we go under the eyebrow. I think the idea is to kind of like if it's a paint, like if her face is a canvas, we're painting. Yeah, this is the cover fix base volume. You want to put a good amount on there, not too much, not too little. Kind of rub it under the cheeks, and this helps to this is sunscreen, so if the sun is out you might get sunburnt. I think maybe is that what this is. Then we're gonna do the born this way. We're born this way. I want to say it's foundation. Yep, lay the foundation down and you put it on this thing, then you want to just lay it down. Good. So what we're doing here is we're just tapping it. You want to make sure it's like not all in one area. We want to spread it out, kind of like if you're applying sunscreen. Then you kind of just like dab it everywhere around, lay down the foundation because you want to make sure it like blends in so it looks good. I feel like it's the brush again. I don't know. Now I think we're spreading the foundation. What we're doing. I think this is concealer. So what that does is it conceals, since it's called concealer. Alright, here we got the egg looking sponge. We're gonna move it around and just kind of blend it, make it look all pretty. Now we're looking at the Aesthetica, which I think is, it says translucent. I really have no idea what that means, but maybe contour again, blending it in again. Okay, this is actually powder. Whoa, careful with the smell. Maybe you want to get some nose plugs, and we're just gonna kind of blend it in. Yeah, apparently the more the better, and we're good, all good. Aesthetica Contour Series Powder. Contour, that's what it is, contour. And then this is the brush that we brush it again. Yep, just brush, make sure you get the right angle. So here, as you can see, the key is to just blend, blend, blend. That's what we want, just the 3 B's, blend, 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 and just make sure it's contoured and good combination of white and brown. Emphasize on the blend. And, sorry, alright, so this is to stay matte, but not flat. Did I get that right? Yes. And this is what this is it's for the cheekbones and powder to kind of make it get that extra oomph, that look. Now we're just brushing it on, brushing it on, brushing it on, brushing it on, brushing it on. Aesthetica, it's a good company. It seems like quality that you could taste or feel. And now we're applying this onto under the right eye, now the left eye. Oh, now we got the eyelashes out. Life's a drag. Lunar Beauty. They're not eyelashes. Dang it, I thought they were eyelashes. Alright, so now we're going to use the red and pink. Okay, we're going to blow on the brush. That's huge. And then we're just going to blend it kind of where like clowns would put it on their cheek. And then we're just going to blend the red and the pink. Okay, now we get the color. You choose the color you want. Wow. I think she's going with like a light pink vibe to it. This kind of just highlights your look. Just gives it that extra unique taste to it. Now we're going to do some lipstick. Nope. This is for eyelash. Nope. Eyelid. Yeah, it's for your eyelid. And it's just it's cool because it kind of matches what she just did with the cheek. And what we got here is basically foundation for the eyelids. And now we're going to go a little red too. I like this. This is cool. So above the eyelid, it seems like. I didn't know makeup went there. Apparently it does. So we're applying it to the eyelids now. Both eyelids are they're dialed in now with the red look, reddish pink. So basically here it appears that the more red the better. Alright, so let's take a different brush now. Now we're going to get more of a pink than a red to kind of like emphasize it. So it's kind of like a pink reddish color. Maybe a little more pink than red. We're applying it to the eyelid right now. And I think what we're doing right now, the best way to describe it would be blending. We're really blending it in, get that look going so it's not like, just so it looks good, you know? Alright, so now we're taking a different brush, and I don't know if we're going to put, so we're not putting color on it. Trying to get all the colors to blend into a nice, beautiful combination. Okay, so now we got another brush. Wow, she got a lot of brushes. Probably, I think this is like the 13th brush. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of blend it in, really make sure we get the color, a lot of brown, pack it on there, really pack it on there, really get a lot on there. Don't be afraid to use a lot. Alright, so this is the Infallible Concealer. What we're going to do is just kind of erase what we just did. You want to go over the eyelid with that concealer. Kind of make it pop for the next layer that we're going to do. Now we're going to get some yellow. And we're applying it to the eyelid now to where it's like yellow, pink. I'm trying to think of all the colors we've been using here. Yellow, pink, red. Very summertime vibes. I like it. Great look for the summertime with your boo out on the beach or something. So now we're going to use this highlighter that was used on the face. We're now going to put it on the eyelashes, or eyelids, sorry. What we want to do is really make it pop, make it shine, really get that almost blinding in a sense. I think it's called eyeliner. I've heard that before, so I'm going to go with eyeliner. Now we're going like under the eyelid. No, we're going under the eyelashes. Alright, so with this step, it looks kind of dangerous to me, so just make sure you're careful not to poke your eye out, because that would really hurt. So proceed with caution, my friends. And here we're painting under the eyelids with a different brush. This time we're going to go the color brown. Just kind of paint it. Make sure you get that look just right. And now we're going to hop back into the yellow color. See, I see what she's doing here. She's going for that like contrast with the yellow on the bottom and then also the yellow towards the top. Then we're going to go with the pink at the bottom now mixed in with the yellow. So it's all, you're seeing it all kind of come together. The look, it's coming together. Now we're going to get the Diamore lashes. I assume these are the eyelash extensions we're going to place onto the eyelash. And boom, just like that, they're on. She is a magician. Wow. Alright, so I think what we're going to do here, we're going to put the dose of the colors. I believe that is, okay, yep, lipstick. Place that around the lips. It looks like it's a lightish pink color. We're going to see, kind of just blend it all in. Make sure you don't get anywhere else other than the lips. Don't know what that was. Maybe she's trying to show what color it is. Beautiful color, as you can see. And here we're just going to make sure it's all clean. Make sure it's looking good, nice and cleaned up. Now we're going to get the mascara, really get those eyelids popping. Make sure you brush. We want to get the top one and the bottom. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. That's the look for summer. So, wow, she looks beautiful. Looks good.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this style tutorial / video. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see on my YouTube channel. I'm feeling a little stuck lately, so if you want a specific video, it doesn't have to be makeup related, just leave it in the comments. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.